We have OP05 PLuffy. Okay, they play a Trafalgar Law and reveal Onami. So our hand's not great. Let's just play Foxy down. Hopefully we can use that to search later. 5 and 5, we'll counter that with a jack. Okay, so they took their life to ramp. Let's go 6 at 5. They counter, and let's play Tama go down. End our turn there. Okay, 7 to 5. Let's block that now. Then we'll get Hyoko out. And they're possibly reading that card. And 8 to 5 we'll have to take. Okay, we're only at 5. Do we play an X strike for a bigger body? Then next turn we could be on 6. I think we do that. Okay, they get rid of Gum Gum Giant, which means they've probably got a handful of them. Let's go 6 and 5. Okay, they're at $10 already somehow. 5 to 5, let's counter that. And 6, we could counter that again. Okay, another Zarjura. And they drop a Nami too. Don't like that we're seeing the counts now, but we can get rid of 2 things here, so let's do that. Let's get rid of both the Zoros, because they could use their blocker here. Alright, 5 again, and then 6. Okay, we got rid of quite a bit of hand and that blocker. Right, here we go. So 7 to 5, let's take that, because we have to. And 5 to 5 will counter that. Let's get rid of the jack for now. Okay. I was just going to play count, but let's do a search. Take Black Maria. And then can we get them here? Possibly. Depends what's in hand. Let's go 6. Okay, they counter. Let's just go 6 into here again. Okay, the Gum Gum Giant that. Let's play Black Maria, and let's just bump up 5. End our turn. Eight to 6. We can't save that. Do we get rid of the Don? We've already seen 2 counts come out. Let's not do it. And 5 to 5. Let's counter that. And we can let Black Maria go. Hopefully we get a trigger off life here too, just to ramp. Okay, no. Okay, yeah, take another Black Maria. Okay, how are we going to play it then? They got 3 in hand. So, why do I think I need that ramp? And then just attack 5. Okay. Uh, 5 to 5 will counter that. Right, and Lin Lin, so they're going to gain a life here. But that shouldn't matter too much to us now. We've got 6. So let's go 8 at life. They can't do anything about that. Play Black Maria. And we'll bump 5, -7, and then go 12. Last game.